And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
Always so nice to get viewer photos in, especially from parts of the state that I've yet to visit. This is the BRIDAL Vale Falls, located just east of the town of Telluride. According to All Trails, it's about a 4.5 mile out and back hike to get to this 300+ foot waterfall. Absolutely stunning out there in the San Juan region here in southern Colorado. And a little bit closer to home, some sunflowers in full bloom just outside of Florence. Carol Gephardt sent us this photo. I want to thank you for sending your pictures to News 5. And if you have any pictures or videos you want to share with us, you can email me, alan.rose@koaa.com, or send us a little post on Facebook. We'll try to get them up into a future newscast. Things today relatively quiet after yesterday's action-packed end to the weekend. Getting some storms right towards Salida and Buena Vista, also down south into the San Luis Valley. For the most part, areas close to the interstate and east dry. Now we are seeing some flash flood warnings in effect. This right here, the Cameron Peak burn scar. This one, the East Troublesome Fire burn scar. Have seen some heavy rain in these areas, and of course these are two of the newer burn scars in our state, having just burned last year. Today's temperatures well above average, and we're going to be even hotter tomorrow, so get ready for it. 91 today in Pueblo. The Springs high of 91 puts us about 7 degrees above average for this time of the year. And it's still a warm night out there, seeing hazy sunshine, areas of smoke. Current temperature outside is 87. You can see the downtown cam not really showing much in the way of cloud cover, but it's that haze that's pretty thick and is sort of eliminating that crystal clear view of the mountains off in the distance. So parts of El Paso County, Teller County, all these areas under this air quality alert until at least 8 o'clock this evening. I know the smoke thickening back up, kind of bothering my throat just a little bit, but also we have some allergens to report. Very high levels of grass, weeds at medium levels, and just low levels of pollen when it comes to trees and mold. Let's talk about that smoke forecast. Get to that right away. You can see some decreasing amounts as we head past midnight, so the yellows disappear from the map. That's a good thing, but we still get that sandy brown color, which means there will be enough smoke and enough ozone that air quality will be impacted, at least to some degree, for the day on Tuesday. And I think this pattern doesn't really change all that much on Wednesday. Here's why. Area of high pressure is going to stay to our southwest. It's going to bring in the smoke from the western U.S. wildfires and keep our temperatures hot. This low is going to swing down into the northern Rockies, though, late this week. That brings in some good changes to the pattern. Less smoke, also some cooler temperatures, and an increased chance of showers and storms. Still a little bit of discrepancy, though, between these longer range models. This is the American model, which typically is a little more over-ambitious when it comes to rain. So keep that in mind. On Wednesday, does keep it generally off to our west in the mountain areas. But look what happens on Thursday. It brings the potential for maybe some heavier showers, especially for areas north of Highway 50 and into the plains. Friday, the model, just a few isolated showers. And then by Saturday, the rain retreats back west to the mountains. Overnight lows tonight down to the upper 50s in the Springs and Pueblo. Some low 60s on the map for the eastern plains. Those areas amongst the hottest tomorrow. We up to 95 in Lamar, 97 La Junta and Pueblo, and up to 89 in Rye. For the Springs, 92. Even hotter on Wednesday, so buckle up for some hot and hazy conditions the next 48 hours. Severe possible on Thursday. As for now, based on the American model and the other model analysis I've done, I think that's probably going to be the wettest day. By Friday, just retreating back to a weak chance. Similar rain chances here in Pueblo. Best day for precip Thursday, likely dry by Friday, and then heating back up by the weekend. For Canyon City, we have the 90s here Tuesday to Wednesday. Cool front going to drop us down about 10 to 15 degrees. A nice cooling trend on the way beginning Thursday of this week. And for Woodland Park, that cool down takes us down to the low 70s with some strong storms and heavy downpours possible Thursday, and the potential for flooding late this week in our recent